Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-da. Welcome back to another episode of
Will It Blend?
I'm your host, the baby Frank Ocean brought to the Met Gala. Let's get right into it. Okay. In all seriousness, we're going to be doing an unboxing video. We're going to be checking out a Japanese snack bag, which I think will be really cool. I'm kind of infatuated with Japanese food specifically because it's so different from a lot of Western food. So this one is Japanese snack pack. It is from Crave Japan. They're a little expensive. They're about $40, so I want to go through it. I want to check it out and basically let you guys know if it's worth it. This is not a subscription box. They might have a subscription box, but this one I specifically just picked up at a candy store. So yeah, as Michael Jordan once said, let's get on with the show. Here's the money shot. Drum roll, please. Let's take it out one at a time. So first, out of the box, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. I can't tell if this is a red panda or if this is that thing from Mario. So these are potato chips. We got some potato chips. Pink salt flavor. I don't know what that means. Is there like a special type of pink salt? Does pink salt have flavor? Is like pink lemonade flavor? That doesn't make any sense. Never mind. All right. What are these? All right, we got these. I'm not quite sure what they are. Oh, roasted seaweed. You can roast seaweed? What's the difference? Is it just gonna taste like regular, like dried seaweed, like that you have in sushi? Kind of looks like a box of wet wipes. Sacked. This is gonna be awful. I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna be so bad. Just pronouncing everything. So it says wheat cracker. So it looks like a wheat cracker with like a chocolate filling in the middle. Kind of. I don't know how that combo is gonna be. I think honestly, wheat might actually fit chocolate. I don't know if I've ever had that combo before, but I could definitely see that working out here. What is this? Soft soda candy. Yo, they have soda candy? What kind of soda is it? Is it just gonna be like sparkling water? It just says soda. So is there a type of soda? I don't know. I can't read Japanese. When I read Japanese, I'll get back to you guys on that, okay? The next thing on our list, we got these guys right here. I think they're Sankaku crackers. They look, that's definitely not how you say them, but they look like vegetable flavored Cheez-It. Almost like a vegetable flavored Cheez-It. So far, honestly, I think the most excited two I'm ready to try is these, the soda candies, and probably the roasted seaweed. Mainly because I've never heard of this before. It probably is super common, but I've never heard of this before, so I'm actually extremely interested in just seeing what it is. Next up on our list, we got peach. I think they're peach gummies. These just look like straightforward. They look like peach gummies. So these will be good. I like peaches, so I think this one, if anything, this is a safe option for all you people out there that aren't very adventurous. I think for the most part, because I typically go to H Mart, and I think that's a Korean grocery store, and I just pick random stuff and try it all out. I think this box so far is pretty good because it has a lot of options that it seems like a lot of people would like without any options that aren't too extreme, but they probably have more extreme options in here. Let's keep going. Yo, what is this? I'm actually excited about this. What is this? Looks like we have a Pepsi refresher shot, carbonated soft drink. Oh, okay. So the description on the back isn't actually like the flavor. So these might actually be a soda candy that has a flavor on it. It doesn't tell you the flavor. It just tells you what it is, I guess. It's just a crude description on the back of what it is. So, carbonated soft drink. I don't know what flavor it is. I don't know if it's generic Pepsi or not, but it says refresher shot. So it might just be regular Pepsi. It might be slightly different because it's from Japan and they change the formulas. We'll see. Oh, I've had these before. I've had these before. Okay. So we have a package of strawberry Pockies. And Pockies are very good, but specifically, I actually made a TikTok with these. Link to my TikTok in my bio. I definitely recommend these. These are probably my favorite out of all the Pockies. So, yeah, I recommend. Oh, no. One of them's broken. That stinks. All right, we have these. I frankly don't know what these are. Just going to glaze by them. They look like crackers, probably sugary crackers, maybe something else. They don't have any description on them. I got 2 of these. Unfortunately, one of them is broken in the package, so this is the only intact one we have. So far, we still have a good amount. Let's check this out. We still have a good amount of stuff in here. All right, so what should we look at first? Ooh, what's this? What's this? So we have this right here. I'm kind of intrigued. I don't know what it is. I don't think there's a single thing on this list besides the Pepsi that I know what it is. It looks almost like one of those containers that have Nutella in it. You have sticks on one side, you have like a sauce on the other, and you dip it in. This one looks like, if I were to guess, maybe strawberry. There's a possibility, but that's your guess is as good as mine. It says wheat crackers. Oh, yo, it has a strawberry on it. It has a strawberry on it right there. Surprisingly enough, I know in a lot of Japanese foods, they have a lot of fish-flavored items, and we haven't got much of those, which I do typically like those. But we'll keep moving, and maybe we'll have something in the future. All right, let's see what this is. We have a couple of these. Let's take these all out. All right, let's see what we got. So we have here a party ice cream Kit Kat. That one looks pretty. I'm excited. I love different Kit Kat flavors, so I'm ready to go. Okay, so this is party. So I think these are just different designs of the outside. They're all party ice cream Kit Kats. So we have 5 in total party ice cream Kit Kats. What is this? Oh my god. So I'm trying to analyze what's on this box, this bag. So it says Banana Man. I assume it's banana candy. Is it a gummy? I don't know. They're not very descriptive with this. Well, they probably are, but I can't read Japanese. This product contains chemicals known to the state of California that cause cancer, birth defects, and other reported harm. Wait, what? All right then. I'm a little bit scared of this one. Moving on. We have Cocoa Coffee Biscuits. Oh, I hope these are good. I hope these are good. I love coffee things. I love coffee in general. Speaking of which, I kind of want to try these now. All right, we have one more thing. All right, let's move on to the next thing. Oh, no, we have 2 more things. We have this guy right here. It says, what does it say? Wheat cracker. It says premium chocolate at the bottom. It says premium chocolate. It looks like it's 2 cookies in here. So I think it's just 2 chocolate cookies here. We have these. I love these. We have the Panda once again. Wasabi peas. I love wasabi peas, but I've recently realized it's really hard to get a good quality wasabi pea around where I live. A lot of them aren't very hot. It's almost like someone just squirted red mustard on a pea, and that's the extent of what they did. All right, now that we checked out the contents in the box, let's check out the individual prices.
Price check.
For the pink salt flavored chips, the potato chips, it was around $3. For the roasted seaweed, it varies, but it's around $1. For the banana candy, you could only get it in bulk, so it was $1. But keep in mind, you could only buy a 30-piece bag, so it would realistically be $28. The peach gummies were around $3. The soda soft candies were around $2.50, $3. The Pepsi refreshing shot was $4 with an $80 delivery, but we're not including that. The Nutella like dipstick candy was around $2.90, so around $3. The coffee biscuits were about $8 on Amazon. The Pockies were around $2. You can get Pockies fairly easily, so if you just want to get Pockies, it's not a problem. The ice cream flavored Kit Kats, you could only get in a bag as well. So it was about $10 for a 12-pack. So a little bit under $1 a piece. The Cheez-It-like vegetable crackers were around $1.50. And finally, the roasted wasabi peas were $5.50. Honestly, frankly, it has a lot of snacks. It has a lot of candy in it, and I'm personally not a huge person on sweets. I like salty things. I like savory things. I do like sweets on occasion, but I don't like always go to the sweets like some people do. And I'm very happy with this box. It has a lot of salty things and a fair good amount of sweet things as well, so you can switch between them, but it's not overpowering on one or the other. Now we answer the question that's on everybody's mind. Is it worth it? I would say if you like snacks, I would say yes. It rounded out, our estimate rounded out to around $36. So not including shipping, it's already almost to the $40 it cost for the box. But honestly, I think it's good value. If you're into snacks, I think it's a really good value because we didn't include shipping with a lot of this, and a lot of this had very expensive shipping. But even if you had access to get all of these and wherever you're located, a lot of them you could only buy in bulk. You can't just get one. If we factored in all of the ones that you had to buy in a bag, probably would come out more to $100. Now, obviously, you'd have more of what you bought, but you wouldn't know if you like it or not, so you'd have to buy a whole bag just to try it out. If you like testers, if you like trying new things, definitely give this a go. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. I hope you guys keep vibing out, eat your vegetables, keep eating you guys, and peace. Alright, make sure to drop a like and drop a comment if you guys are interested in watching me try out all of these interesting snacks.